Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, the fast growing gear site on the web, and today we're gonna uncrate the first manufacturing Raider jacket. What's up, Speed Addicts fan? Before we jump in and tell you about this Raider jacket I'm donning in today's video, do us both a favor. Subscribe to the Speed Addicts channel, that way you don't miss out on any of the latest parts or gear reviews coming your way. Speed Addicts, always getting first look. Subscribe and don't miss out. Also, if you would like to purchase one of these first manufacturing Raider jackets that we're gonna talk about in this video today from us here at Speed Addicts, we would appreciate that as well. There's a link in the description below to shop for this Raider jacket or any other parts of gear you might need for your next two-wheel adventure. Speed Addicts is stoked to be offering first manufacturing apparel. They are a leader in V-twin leather jackets, vests, gloves, all sorts of different accessories. We've got the full lineup now at Speed Addicts. Today, though, we are talking about the Raider. This thing comes in at $319 to $359 for a genuine cowhide leather construction. It has armor pockets. It's gonna give you a limited lifetime warranty, and it looks sharp, okay? You got lots of storage in here. You got concealed carry. Everything you could want for under 400 bucks. Huge range of sizes. You're gonna talk about size small all the way up through 8XL. No one is left out. Now let's talk about the fit. I'm noticing it runs a little bit snug compared to the sizing chart. So I am 44-inch chest, 220, 6'2". Sizing chart dictates a size large. That's what I'm wearing here. Now this is snug but doable. This will break in and be a good fit. Remember, leather stretches, okay? So this will work for me. If I was gonna run the armor in this, you can either buy your own armor or you can buy the armor pack from First. They got CE level 2. I'm gonna show you here. This has pockets in the elbows, in the shoulders, and of course a back protector. If I was gonna run all this armor, I'm gonna need to round up. So keep that in mind when you're looking at the sizing chart. If you're planning on running armor in one of these jackets, you're gonna need to buy yourself a little bit of extra room, okay? That's my tip on fit. Now remember, with fitment, if you don't get it right the first time, don't worry, just shop with Speed Addicts. You're gonna get a free return label. We don't nickel and dime you like those other guys. All you have to do to qualify is live in the lower 48 states and make sure the gear's brand new in the original condition. Give us a shot and we'll treat you like family. Okay, back to a naked cowhide leather construction. I already talked about the armor pockets in the elbows, the shoulders, and the back. Like I said, I'm not running the armor as this jacket sits on me. Sold separately if you want to do that. We're gonna work our way down the pockets. Bear with me. There are a lot of them. So we're gonna start up at the top. These are actually vents. They're not pockets. These are gonna vent into the mesh liner here. It's gonna blow right into, right now I have the thermal liner, so it's gonna blow in between these. If I remove the thermal liner and I open these up, you're gonna get a lot of ventilation in this jacket. On the back, you have exhaust vents that you can open up on both of those kind of kidney regions there. So that's the ventilation system. As we work down into the cargo here, you're gonna have kind of a matching setup on both sides of this Raider jacket. If I flip this up and zip this down, it's going to show you, you are truly ready for a raid. I mean, you can carry pretty much everything you want. On the outside flap, you have this elastic open pocket. Then you have two flappy pockets with the Velcro here. So you can really load this thing up and you get the matching kind of mirror image of that same setup on the right external side. So I'm gonna zip this up and that covers that. Now, let's talk about the concealed carry situation here. You have not one, but two concealed carry options. Hard to miss with these bullet snaps here. Now, for you righties, this left side pocket, if you're gonna carry on this side, this is gonna be outside of the zipper. So it's gonna be a little bit more easily accessible for right-handers. I'm gonna zip this up and show you what I'm talking about here. So all you'd have to do is open the flaps to reach into that concealed carry pocket. On the right side, it is behind the zipper. Both concealed carry pockets are the same size and have the same holster setup. And I'm gonna try to peek in here so you can see that holster, okay? And then down below, there are two more elastic bands that are really hard to get to for clips here, for magazines. So those are down below. And same mirror image over here on the other side. So that is your concealed carry setup on the Raider. Like I said, we do have the liner installed in this jacket. You can run it with or without the thermal liner. That zips out. Behind that, you will see the back protector. If we go to the sleeves, we have zippered sleeves. with gussets here. No surprises there. Tassels on a lot of these zippers. And First Manufacturing is always going to use YKK quality zippers here. Of course, it's all backed up with lifetime warranty from First, so what's not to like about the warranty situation? And then you'll notice they call this an action back, but your arms are gusseted so that you can get a nice reach without kind of pulling this jacket up your back. As far as coverage goes, like I said, I'm 6'2". I'm getting a lot of coverage here. The length is quite nice. It was a little tight around the bottom. Again, that's going to give over time. So that is the Raider jacket. Awesome V-twin option that's not going to break the bank on you. If there's a question I didn't answer, don't worry, Rider Support is always standing by at speedaddicts.com, where you can always talk to a human over the phone, live chat, or email. If you already got a Raider jacket, let us know how you like it in the comment section below. Give back to your riding community, guys. Give them your advice, your feedback. Don't just take my word for it. Appreciate y'all for watching. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate.